So we have databases. Now, a number that caught me off guard. I knew that Postgres was popular, but Jesus, 48% of people are literally using Postgres at the moment, way more than MySQL. This is surprising, right? And even more, because one thing that I thought people were not using on their daily jobs is like SQLite, and apparently 33% of people are using SQLite, which is kind of crazy. Now, they have these sections, learning to code, professional developers. So if I click on learning to code, most people are using MySQL. Interesting. So most people are using MySQL when they are learning to code, but when they switch to professional, pretty much everyone switches to Postgres. Kind of crazy. LogicBR is saying, I still don't know the difference between SQLite, MySQL, and Postgres. You mean between the three databases? I mean, SQLite is totally different from Postgres and MySQL, which is single file based database. You know, I love SQLite, dude. SQLite is my favorite database ever. I will always default to SQLite on everything: caching, databases, sessions, everything, dude. SQLite is such a great software, probably the most underrated software on the industry. You know what I mean? All right, I would question you though, because Dean is saying SQLite is the way to create an MVP app. No need for setup or dedicated server. Would you say that SQLite is only for MVPs? Because I'm using SQLite in a few production apps, and it's really cool, you know? It is really cool. I love SQLite, you know what I mean? So there is one thing that is kind of that people need to understand about SQLite, which is, in the past, we had these disks which were very slow, right? But today, all of the disks are literally SSD, and they are super fast. All of the disks today, readings and writings, they are super fast, which makes SQLite way more possible to be used in production these days. You know what I mean? We have Redis being used as a database because why not, you know? Is a key value thing, but it can indeed be used as a database. MariaDB declining a little bit, but it was good back in the days. DynamoDB from AWS, of course, with 7.9. I use DynamoDB to caching sometimes. DynamoDB is awesome.